When the event ends, the compliance work doesn't stop. In fact, for pharmaceutical event planning, what happens after the event is just as critical as what happens during it. Reliable post-meeting reporting is essential for compliant pharma event management, and skipping this step can lead to serious regulatory consequences. Let's talk about how to build a fully auditable post-event reporting process that keeps your pharma events compliant and inspection ready. First, understand this. Transparency is non-negotiable. Every detail, from HCP attendance to transfer of value, must be captured and documented with precision. That means your reporting process must start long before the event begins, with data collection baked into your planning strategy. Ensure your event management system is compliant with all relevant regulations, including international standards like the EFPIA Disclosure Code and local mandates such as the US Sunshine Act. Integrate tracking tools that log speaker fees, travel expenses, meals, and even hotel accommodation costs in real time. This ensures that all elements are reportable and traceable. Next, centralize your data. One of the biggest challenges event managers face is fragmented data sources. A compliant pharmaceutical event planning strategy demands a unified system where all attendee data, expense logs, and engagement records are accessible, secure, and consistent. Now let's talk timing. Post-event reports should be generated immediately after the event concludes. Delays can lead to data integrity issues and make it harder to meet regulatory timelines. Set internal deadlines that are tighter than the external reporting requirements to build a buffer for audits or corrections. Accuracy is king. Double-check that all HCP data is correct and that any discrepancies are flagged and resolved. It's not just about entering the numbers. It's about proving that every value transfer was appropriate and within regulatory bounds. Don't forget narrative context. Compliance teams and regulators need to understand the why behind the what. Include notes on the event's purpose, educational value, and how the content aligned with HCP professional needs. This added layer of transparency can be a powerful defense in the face of scrutiny. Automation is your friend. Use platforms that can auto-generate reports, pull data from integrated systems, and export in formats required by different regulatory bodies. This not only saves time, but reduces the risk of human error. For global pharmaceutical companies, tailor your reporting structure to accommodate country-specific rules. What's compliant in Germany may not fly in Japan. Create region-specific templates and workflows to streamline your multinational reporting obligations. Finally, archive everything. Keep detailed records of communications, approvals, attendance logs, and expense documentation for the period required by law, often several years. Cloud-based solutions with robust access controls are ideal for this. By implementing a reliable, repeatable post-event reporting strategy, you're not just ticking boxes, you're strengthening your company's reputation, reducing risk, and setting the standard for compliant pharma event management.